Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best Bluetooth audio adapter review in 2024, so let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. Number 5. Flagship Bluetooth Audio Decoder ES9038Q2M DAC. Elevate your audio game with this flagship Bluetooth audio decoder. Featuring the ES9038Q2M DAC and QCC5125 Bluetooth module, it supports APTX-HD and LDAC formats. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. Number 4. UGREEN 100M Long-Range Bluetooth Transmitter Receiver. Enjoy wireless freedom with UGREEN's long-range Bluetooth 5.0 transmitter/receiver, offering aptX-LL and aptX-HD audio support. Number 3. Bluetooth 5.1 Receiver Audiophile. Experience premium audio decoding with Bluetooth 5.1 receiver. It supports aptX-HD, LDAC, and HD formats. The USB sound card function adds flexibility to your audio setup for an immersive audiophile. Please consider to subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon to get more videos. Number 2. Fosi Audio Q5 DAC Converter. Unleash the power of ESS9018K2M with Fosi Audio's Q5. This USB digital-to-analog converter is a versatile device, serving as a decoder, headphone amplifier, and mini stereo preamplifier. Number 1. Fiio BR13 High-Res Audio Bluetooth Receiver. Elevate your audio experience with Fio's BR13, featuring Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity and LDAC support. Ideal for car or home speakers, it's also a versatile headphone amplifier. Thanks for watching.